Hi everyone. For today's session, we will see how to design the circuit for clamper, positive clamper and negative clamper using LT Spice. So the first step is go for File, New Schematic, then choose the components which you want to design the circuit. So go to the component, type voltage. So you'll get the voltage source, give OK. So right click, it goes off. Then take a capacitor. So you want the capacitor to be turned. So I'm giving control R so that it rotates, placing it like this. Next, I require a resistor. I'm placing the resistor. So next, I want a diode. So click the diode and place it here. So here I'm going to do negative clamper. So my diode should be faced like this and I'm placing it here. So after this, I'm going to give connections. To choose the wire option from here, that is the yellow like a pencil one. So click that. Now, now start connecting. Okay, for every point starting and ending, you should give a click and you have to end it. Okay. Now take the ground and place it here. So I've placed all the components. Now I have to name the components. So I'm naming my capacitor to be 0.1 0.1 microfarad. So for micro, in your keyboard, just put U. So it assumes that it is a micro. So give OK. Can you see this? It is changed to 0.1 microfarad. Now I'm giving a resistor value as 1 mega ohm. Okay. So type 1 MEG like that. Don't put only M so that it assigns like it is a milli value. Okay. So put 1 MEG, give OK. Now my diode. Give right click, choose pick new diode and choose 1N4148 and give OK. Next, I have to name this voltage. So go right click it. So I want the wave to be a sine wave. So I'm going to give advanced here. In this place, click sine. So when you click sine, DC offset amplitude frequency value will be asked. So you doesn't require any DC offset value. So give 0. Amplitude, you take it like I'm giving just 5. Okay, so that 5 amplitude means the height. Okay, height of the sine wave is given here. Frequency, I'm giving just 1k. Okay, so it represents that to be in hertz. So give OK. So everything is placed here. Now, after naming all the components, my next step is go to simulate, give edit simulation command. So here I require, as I've already told you, a sine wave. So I'm keeping my value in pixels. So in stop time, just put 5 milliseconds, 5 or 6 or 7, anything it is. According to that, the wave will be coming. So now give OK. So just place it here somewhere. So when everything is over, now I'm going to simulate. You can see a run option, click that. This was I've done before, so that has come here. So run option. So here I'm going to change this, that is go to window, change it vertically, tile vertically. Now, so here I require to see input and output separately. Do right click in this particular graph. So go to add plot plane so that two plane comes. Okay, so keep your cursor in the first plane. Now again go to run option. So I want to see my input wave. So go and keep your cursor in the near the voltage. So now we can see that the input sine wave occurs. So I've given the amplitude as 5. So the amplitude by positive 5 volt and negative 5 volt, my wave has come. And I also have given the stop value to be 5 millisecond. So it means, so for one complete clock period, I require 1 millisecond. So here 5 complete clock cycle is there. Okay, so it requires 5 milliseconds. That's why I've given 5 millisecond in the stop value. And click your cursor here. Again, go to run. To check my output, I'm going to keep my cursor near the diode. And now we can see that the output has been clamped. Okay, so now you can tell that it is 2 VM. Okay, it is clamped double. It is for your negative clamper, so that your output comes like this. Okay, so here 5 volt. Okay, so when it is doubled, you can see that it is doubled for 10 volt. Okay, it means 2 VM. My clock, my complete amplitude, you can see it has been clamped for double time, that is 2 VM. Okay, so I can show this also in the same thing. So click it in the first input position itself. Then again go to your run option. Keep your cursor near the diode. It will be coming here. Okay, for your better understanding. So this is green color is your input wave and this blue is your output wave. You can see that it is clamped in the negative side because this is a negative clamper circuit. So it is clamped in the negative side to VM. Okay, that is 5 volt is being clamped to 10 volt. Okay, I hope you understood. Now we will do it for positive clamper. The same circuit, go to scissors, okay, this cut option, cut your diode. Now change the diode to be, just rotate it. It should be upside, okay, it should be like this for your positive clamper. So everything is the same, everything is already done. So now again go to, we have to assign the diode value. So go right click, pick new diode, choose 1N4148, give OK. Okay. So now go to simulate, edit simulation command. 5 seconds it is already there, so give OK. Next give the run option. Can you see this? So now go to tile, tile vertically, window, tile vertically, click here, right click, give add plot pane. So two section comes, click in the first one, again go to run, keep your cursor in the input side of the voltage source. So you get the sine wave. Okay, again click in the second plane, go to run option, click your cursor near the diode. So now you can see that it is clamped in your positive set. Okay, so for better understanding, I will click in the first and show you. Again, go to run option. Keep your cursor near the voltage, near the diode. So now you can see it has been clamped in the positive side. Okay, so double times 5 volt, it is doubled like to 10 volt. So this is what called as positive and negative clamper. So if you have any doubts, please put it in the comment section. Thank you.